Hello, beautiful friends. Welcome to Reflect, Inspire, and Motivate with Marleen Smith. Today, I'll be reading some poems to you, all about nature. As you would have guessed, I am in love with nature. I am a lover of nature, and I am very fond about nature. When we look at nature, we see the love of God, the power of God, and His creativity. I am so in love with the sights, the smells, and the sounds of nature. Sit back, relax, and enjoy these poems of nature. Listen to the birds, the crickets, the wind. The Wind, written by Christina Rossetti. Who has seen the wind? Neither I nor you. But when the leaves hang trembling, the wind is passing through. Who has seen the wind? Neither you nor I. But when the trees bow down their heads, the wind is passing by. Let raindrops softly kiss my sweating fingers, pure though fallen from sooty clouds, clean though mother of April.
Time spent in nature. Time spent in nature is time spent realizing that you don't know it all and that you never will. Nature is what we see. Written by Emily Dixon. Nature is what we see. The hill, the afternoon, squirrel, eclipse, the bumblebee. Nay, nature is heaven. Nature is what we hear. The bobolink, the sea, thunder, the cricket. Nay, nature is harmony. Nature is what we know, yet have no part to say. So impotent or wisdom is, to her, simplicity. Emily Dixon.
My garden is my sanctuary. As I look out to my garden, I feel a sense of pride. It really is a lovely room, except it's outside. Murray Church. Written by Murray Church.
She Loved the Sea. Written by George R.R. Martin. She liked the sharp, salty smell of the air and the vastness of the horizons, bounded only by a vault of azure sky above. It made her feel small, but free as well. George R.R. Martin.
The waves whisper to me, calling me to the soft sand. The water sweeps over my feet, surrounds where I stand.